right, let's bring in Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, you've been moving around today, but it's been moving around on the downside pretty much. What do you think's going on here?
Well, a lot of commodities are flying around here this week. We got some Fed speak yesterday. We had an OPEC meeting today. So a lot of money just kind of sloshing around in these commodity markets. And like you said, a lot of this is in the red. And I think part of that is because we do have a dollar that's marching a little bit higher. That's usually a little bit of a headwind for commodities. But as you know, it's not how you trade throughout the day. It's how you finish that really sets us up going into the last trading day of the week. So going into the close, there's a couple key levels we're looking at. For December corn, 566 is a big one. This is where we got the secondary breakout point that took us to 586 last week. If we close below 566, 565, I wouldn't be surprised to see that continue to lead to a little bit more pressure to wrap up the week. The next technical support level, well, there's not a whole lot until you get to the original breakout point, 543 to 548, which represents a 50% retracement from this summer's move, as well as the 100-day moving average and other previously important price points.
What do you think about this wheat market, man? It's been on fire on the way up, but we're kind of taking a little bit of a breather here, or more than that. What do you think's going on?
Well, I think the market just got a little bit overextended to the upside. And when we're looking at the wheat market, generally Chicago is where majority of the liquidity is, or where most participation is. But it's really been the spring wheat market that's led the other wheat contracts higher. If that continues to soften up, I think you're going to see a little bit more pressure in some of these more active contracts, like the Chicago contract, currently down about 7 cents. If we break and close below 750, I think that starts to neutralize the bullish trend that we've seen developing here over the last month.